What's up, guys? Will Mine here with the Bear Group, brokered by eXp Realty. It's a beautiful day, and I'm standing in front of a beautiful home. We're at 175 Willow Bay Drive, right here in Orangeburg, South Carolina. I'm also in the Oakfield Plantation subdivision, where a lot of these homes in the subdivision were built by Conquest Homes. And this is a Conquest home right behind me. And before I give you a tour, I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. This is our Chestnut plan. Our Chestnut plan has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths with a garage. Also, it has granite countertops, white cabinets throughout. Come with me as I show you what this home has to offer. Let's go.